The EIF proposes a conceptual model for integrated public services to guide their planning, development, operation, and maintenance by member states. Within this model, citizens and businesses interact with integrated public services. But let's take a more concrete example. Angèle and Bob recently became parents, and they have enough to think about at the moment. To ensure a correct registration of their newborn baby, they should be well prepared. Contact the right public administrations and institutions in the right order, with the right documents at hand. But with integrated public services, these are all brought together so that citizens can access them in a single seamless experience. And without any headaches, Bob can easily get the documents he needs using just his smartphone. This integration of public services can only happen through coordination of several administrations: the hospital where the child was born, who can prove that the event occurred; the municipality, which is in charge of registering the newborn child as a new citizen within the population registry; the tax agency, who can provide information on the household's income; the Social Security Department, who will allocate a subsidy of a social aid to raise the child based on the household's income. Basically, it is this function that selects appropriate sources and services and integrates them. To achieve this, each institution will need to publish internal data that can be reused for other purposes, such as population-based registry, tax-based registry, social aid, birth certificate. These are also called internal information sources and tend to be grouped in several categories, such as base registries, which is the master data where the trusted and up-to-date information is recorded; open data, which refers to public sector data that is machine-readable data for use by others; shared services, which refers to a dedicated unit that is focused on providing defined business functions. European public services should provide access not only to these internal sources of information, but also to the external information sources, such as payment services provided by financial institution or connectivity services provided by international organizations and telecommunications providers. But in order to make this model functional, administrators of different data sources and services need to have a place where they can discover and find all the information they need, such as data models, software used, data sources, or services. Various types of catalogs exist, and these are needed to enable interoperability between organizations and systems. And wrapping all these is the security and privacy, ensuring that services are secure and not vulnerable to attacks, and comply with legal requirements regarding data protection and privacy.